Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. It is second Shawwal. I am at my auntie house. So while waiting for the makan time, I just have some free time to share about triangulation. Because maybe a lot of student or researcher, early young researcher, early career researcher, or who just enroll to do as PhD candidate might not clear about what is triangulation is, or the need of triangulation, or maybe some of you use triangulation or some of you might not use. Okay, triangulation in term of academic research, it is meant whatever theory, model, method, technique, whatever thing that you use more than one, that's mean you use triangulation. It is mean that maybe one technique or one method or one sources not having witness. Sorry, it's not having witness. I mean, maybe one method, one technique, or one model, or one theory having witness. So having another theory, or having another method, or having another technique will counterbalance that weakness. So from the point of view, or from the view of research methodology, if you have more than one technique or more than one sources for your data collection, maybe you interview several stakeholders, several target group. So that's mean more than one sources. Okay, whatever more than one, we call it that we use triangulation. Okay, although mixed method, although multi-method, whatever more than one, in terms of research methodology, that's mean you use triangulation approach. Okay, so same like if we talk, we can compare with if you have more than one wife, so we call it polygamy. So having more wives, so in Islam we can have maximum 4 wives, kan? Right? So all these wives actually are been used to strengthen the family, same as triangulation. If you use more than one sources, more than one technique, more than one method, that's mean all this method or all these sources should be convergent, so should be converged at the end to strengthen your result, to make it more robust, to strengthen your result. So it does not stand alone, it must be converged. It is some qualitative analysis, you can actually achieve validity through convergent validity. So you must remember, you must put in mind that whatever you use more than one, that's mean all these multiple sources, all this variety of technique are used, or theory or model, because triangulation not only for the method, for the methodology, it can be the literature, it can be theory, it can be sources, it can be data, it can be information. So all this variety, all these multiple sources, variety of sources, variety of information should be used. At the end, it should be related to each other. At the end, it should be converged towards strengthen your result in terms of research methodology. Okay, so that's all. Happy Hari Raya. Maaf Zahir dan Batin. From me, Dr. Siti, or my full name is Dr. Siti Uzaria. Okay, so remember, if you want to join my online clinic, it will start on July until September. I have online clinic on literature review and how easy to identify your gap, and also I have online clinic on qualitative research to differentiate between qualitative and quantitative, the viewpoint, because actually most of researcher, you don't maybe a bit confused. Are you using quanti or qualitative? Are you doing qualitative or quantitative research or mixed method? Actually, it is not quali or quanti. That is only a data. Qualitative is a data, type of data. Quantitative is a type of data. So if you want to know more, you can join my online clinic. It started July until September for qualitative research, interview analysis, and also another clinic also online. it will be literature review and how easy to identify your gap. And what we have also offline clinic for NVivo 12, that can be used for literature review work, and also variety analysis of qualitative data. It can be interview, it can be audio, it can be video, it can be picture. Okay, so qualitative is whatever you cannot put formula to analyze or need somebody to interpret the data. For example, you a researcher as instrument to analyze your data, so it is qualitative data. So okay, so if you would like to join any of those classes, either online or offline, or you want to buy my new book on literature review, and I'm sorry it is in fully Malay, you can leave your comment, your email on the comment, so my team will get back to you. Okay, Assalamualaikum.